friends, welcome back. Today I will tell you event handling associated with JButton class. JButton is used to create a labeled button, and the declaration of JButton is public class JButton extends abstract button, and JButton is there in the package javax.swing. And these are the three constructors of JButton. The first one creates a button with no text and icon. Second one creates a button with specified text, and the third one will create a button with an icon. Okay. So these are some of the commonly used methods of the abstract button. So since abstract button is the parent of JButton, so all the methods that abstract button has, you can use them, like set text, get text, and set icon, get icon, and set enabled, and all these methods can be used. And the event that is generated with the JButton is action event. So now I'll show you a program with action event. Okay, so action event of a button. So I'm importing the package javax.swing because JButton is there in javax.swing, and event handling is there in the package java.awt.event. So I have imported both the packages, and I have created a default frame. So I'll give the link of the JFrame video in the description. So please watch that video before proceeding. And so I said class frame demo 1 implements action listener, because as I already told you, the JButton produces action event, so you need to implement action listener. So I have created two buttons, b1 and b2, and one label L. So I'm creating the button. So I said b1 is equal to new JButton. The button name is S. So the text on the button will be S. And I'm creating another button b2 with the text no. Okay. So when the user clicks yes or no, so there is an action event produced, and I'm handling the action event by setting the text of the label. Okay. So if the user presses yes, the label's text will change to S is pressed, and if the user presses no, the label's text will change to no is pressed. Okay. So I have added both the buttons to the frame, like using the add method. So I said f dot add b1, f dot add b2, and now I'm creating a label. So the text on the label will be click on a button, but once the action event is generated, the text will change for the J label. Okay, so I also added the label. As you can see, the frames default layout is border layout. I have set it to flow layout, so it will add b1, b2, and label in sequence. Okay, so first b1 button, then b2 button, and then label will be added in horizontal from left to right. Okay, and now I have done the registration process of the button. So I said b1 dot add action listener this, and I said b2 dot. So this is whenever there is an event, then action listeners action performed method will get the event, and whatever code you want to write, you should be writing in action performed, like whatever you want the action to take form. Okay, so that you will be writing in action performed. So I want my logic. Okay, so my logic I'm writing in action performed. So I want the text in the label to change to S is pressed. So I'm using get source method. So if e dot get source is equal to b1, like if the user has pressed S, then I'm changing the label's text to S is pressed. Okay, so again I'm using another if. I'm saying e dot get source is equal to b2. So then I'm saying labels set text will be b2 dot get text, plus I'm using another string over there, which is pressed. Okay, so b2 dot get text will get the text of the button. So that's it, friends. Now I'm compiling the program. So frame demo 1 java c frame demo 1 dot java. So it's compiled, and I executed it. So this is the frame. On the frame you can see, like, because it's flow layout, the buttons are placed like this: yes, no, and then the label. So as soon as I pressed on S, it is saying S is pressed. Okay, so that's what I have written in action performed. I said, like, L dot, L is nothing but the label reference variable. So L dot set text to b1 dot get text. Okay, so b1 dot get text is s, then I'm setting it to that. Okay, labels text is changed. Okay, so whatever button I'm pressing, if I'm pressing no, it is saying no is pressed. Okay, so that's it friends. This is how event handling is associated